Hey guys, I'm back. I've got another DIY video for you today. I'll be making a wooden toy for my daughter. She's starting to get old enough to play with things and enjoy them, so I'm going to make her a wooden robot, and I'll be using this old piece of wood that I got off of a piano I took apart a couple months ago. That noise in the background is my daughter. She figured out how to squeal and she thinks it's a lot of fun, so she's been doing it a lot lately. Alright, that finishes up my design. This is a really simple build. All I'll need is 5 blocks of wood and a little bit of rope. Up at the top, I drew up a diagram how to drill out that wood so that you can string the rope through and attach all the pieces. And the size of the blocks that I'm using is pretty flexible. You can get creative with this and make it whatever size you want. Before I start drilling the holes out, I am marking the center of these blocks. That way I can make sure I get it in the center and all the blocks will line up. And if you don't have a drill press, you can easily do this with a drill. You just have to be careful and try to keep the drill as square as you can to the block so that the hole will be in the same spot after you get all the way through the block. Sorry about the background music. I left on the radio, wasn't paying attention as I zoned out while I was working, and eventually I noticed it and turned it off. What I'm doing right now is cutting a few pieces of wedges that I can hammer into these holes after I get the rope in. I'll put a little bit of wood glue on the rope and slide it through, then insert these wooden pieces and hammer it down in, and that will wedge the rope in place and hold it. What I'm using for rope to attach all the pieces is some paracord, and if you leave this, it will unravel. So I'm melting down the edge where I cut, and that will hold the rope together and it won't unravel. To cut the eyes, I use my drill press, and then for the mouth, I use the table saw to cut a slit for the mouth. Alright guys, that just about finishes up my video for today. I've already made a couple of these. I really love how simple they are. I've made one for my nephew's birthday party and had some nieces and nephews over, and we made one of these together as well. And it really is a simple project. There's a lot of easy steps that with some supervision kids can do, and they really enjoy making it themselves. If you get a chance to make this with some kids or give it as a gift, do it. It's a great project, it's a fun one that you can spend time together making. Alright guys, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button down below so you know when I upload new videos. And if you know anybody that has some kids and might want to do this project with them and have some fun, just share this with them. And thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.